Well, it's cloudy and rainy outside today. It's the weekend that Hurricane Barry is down in New Orleans. So, we got to do something fast. It's steak again. By the way, we got a new player today. Some grill grates. Yep. No, they weren't sent to me. I purchased them. But I'm looking forward to using them. And I'm going to use them today. So stand by and let's see what they're all about. Got us a nice salad prepared. And we've got some nice baked potatoes out of the oven. And we've got 3 nice ribeyes. Getting ready to put those on the Weber kettle. Stand by. To get the 124. Wow, had a hot grill. All right. And let's just pull some of those nice hot coals back over here. There we go. They hadn't been on long, so they really haven't burned down. You see my coals are spread back out. All right, let's let these grates get nice and hot. Just help build up some heat. Open this grate all the way. I had it half closed. Alright, it's 500 something degrees. I'm going to go with it. Alright, let's see if we can get some grill grates. Oops, I forgot. I'm forgetting something. Yeah. 90-degree turn here. Alright. Checkerboard. Well, we're really already at the tip we need to be. I may not checkerboard the other side, or we'll get too much. Add a little bit. Not as pretty as I wanted. Not as pretty as my last try. That was not bad. A little bit. It's about a medium. Pretty tender though. Mmm.